back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm JaMya, and in today's video I am doing a hair tutorial. I feel like I haven't done one in a while. So recently I posted a picture on my Instagram with me having this hairstyle. A lot of people gave me some good feedback on that picture and that hairstyle, so I decided to just recreate that hairstyle that I did. It's a really simple and really cute hairstyle that I just put together. Basically it's just this 2 space buns hairstyle with some little finger coils in the front. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then make sure you guys are subscribed first. If you don't mind, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Thank you. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Guys, so I'm starting off with my hair being freshly washed, and I put in the leave-in conditioner, a moisture Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore leave-in conditioner. So this is what I use to just add some moisture. That picture I showed you guys in my intro was from an old wash and go. So starting off, I'm just gonna start off by parting my hair down the middle with this rat tail comb. I'm just gonna put this part up for a second just to keep this out of the way. And I'm just gonna take this section right here, and I'm actually going to just go from like right here, just like at the center of my head, and just part down like diagonal. From the other side I go like straight where I was at, and just go a diagonal and just take out that piece right there. I'm just gonna take these 2 pieces and I'm just going to twist it down lightly, just to add a little bit of moisture and try to define those curls a little bit. I'm just going to take the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Curl Activator. Just going to put a little bit on my hair since my hair is like pretty soaked in that leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna take a small amount. This is actually like really thick, so I'm just gonna take like about that much and just put it on my hand. Just gonna put it like all over my hair, and just making sure that I have this product like coated everywhere. So now I'm just gonna take my comb, starting from the end, and I'm just going to like basically detangle to make sure I don't have any knots or anything. I'm just gonna take like a towel and just take like the extra product that I have and just scrunch it up. So now I'm just going to take some of this Eco Styler gel. I'm just going to take a little bit right now for the inside, just so I won't have like any flyaways at the top. And I'm just putting gel like on the top of my hair, and I'm just brushing that down. I'm just spritzing the ends of my hair just to make it have like a little wet look, and just so them curls can be defined. I'm just going to gather my hair up into like a high ponytail, or a high bun. Take my brush and just brush over my hair, just to make sure that this is where I actually want my ponytail to be first before I start adding gel. So I'm taking the gel, and I'm just basically putting this gel like on the perimeter of this section. I'm just brushing it up. Now I'm just putting it up, and I'm just basically putting it in like a messy type bun. And basically just play with it until like I actually like this bun. So I'm just gonna keep it like that. I'm just going to go ahead and put this one up in a bun in a faster pace. So I'm back, and this is what my buns are looking like. They are sisters, not twins. I'm going to go ahead and start on the little finger coils in the front. If you want to, you can just keep yours like this, like it looks fine just like that. Or if you want to be defined, spraying it down. Like 1 good spray is good enough with this bottle. I'm going to take some of this curl activator. Like I said before, this is like a really thick product. I'm just going to take this side and take my comb and just like literally like comb it down. With the rest of the product that I have on my fingers, I'm just going to finger coil like all the way down and literally just keep it just like that. I'm just going to do the same thing on this one. Just keep those like that, and then when it dries, of course, it's gonna look more defined and a lot better. Gotta spice up this look a little bit more. I'm gonna use the Got2b glue styling sparkling glue. I'm taking this edge brush and comb, and I'm just doing my edges. Alright guys, so now that I'm done with my edges, I'm just gonna wrap them up really quickly, and I'm gonna leave it on for about 10 minutes. That's how long I normally keep my edges laid, especially when I use that gel. So I'll be back in like 10 minutes. Gonna watch me a YouTube video or something, and I'll come back to you guys. Okay, so I'm back and I'm just gonna take this off really quick. Like I said before, you will get white residue. Normally what I do is I take some type of oil, I have the olive oil, and this just basically helps with getting rid of the white residue fingers, and I just basically put it like right on top. And it basically just gets rid of that white residue. So, alright guys, so you've come to the end of this video. This is what my hair is looking like. Just really cute. And really put together. I honestly really do like this little style. It's just really cute and really simple for the summertime if you guys don't like having your hair down all the time. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite summer hairstyle. And if you stayed all the way to the end and you have not subscribed already, please be sure you are subscribed to my channel. Like, you stayed this far. Why haven't you subscribed? Thank you guys for all the love and support you guys continue to show me, and thank you most importantly for watching this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.